Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering the beacon, another star, and blocks for the pyramid base. This provides the beacon's power tier. Place the 3x3, then one layer of 5x5 if you want stronger effects. Make sure you build exactly under an unobstructed sky so the beacon can activate. Once done, place the beacon on the pyramid center and open its UI to confirm it shows a beam. This initial step both powers the beacon and lets you later read its pulse for lock logic. Now you'll convert the beacon state into a redstone signal that locks a door. Place an observer facing the beacon beam so it pulses when you change effects. The observer output feeds a simple RS latch made with 2 repeaters and redstone torches to remember open or close state. Make sure to use repeaters to prevent rapid flicker. Once configured, route the latch output to your door's actuator. Sticky pistons for flush doors or an iron door with a T-flip if you need pulse. Finish by testing. You change the beacon's primary effect or toggle power level to create a beam change and watch the observer trigger the latch. You should see the door open or lock reliably. Make sure you add a manual override like a button or lever in case the beacon misreads. This keeps access predictable. If the circuit flickers or misfires, add 1 or 2 repeater delays and confirm the beam path is unobstructed. This troubleshooting step solves timing glitches and ensures a dependable lock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.